Good evening, lovers of all things scary. Here's a fun fact for you all. Did you know that Jack the Ripper was given his infamous nickname because he farted a lot? Not really, but it's fun to think about. What isn't fun to think about is what lies for us deep within the deep, dark expanse of space, and what terrifying things astronauts and astronomers have found in our pursuit of knowledge. Lucky for you guys, creepy things that aren't fun to think about is the whole name of the game. I'm Aidan, and today we'll be looking at the top 5 scary space photos leaked by NASA astronauts. Hope you brought your spacesuits. Number 5. Untethered Astronaut. On August 22nd, 2022, NASA unleashed a chilling photograph into the vast abyss of doom that is Twitter. A snapshot that left the world collectively gasping for breath. The haunting image featured an untethered astronaut suspended in the inky blackness of space, seemingly mere inches above Earth's fragile horizon. It was a bone-chilling glimpse into the unforgiving void that lies beyond our protective planet. The first thing that strikes you is the astronaut's stark isolation. Against the backdrop of space and our familiar blue and white world, they appear as a minuscule, fragile figure. No lifeline, no tether connecting them to the safety of the International Space Station, just a solitary figure against the cosmic abyss. This photograph instantly transported viewers to the unsettling reality of the astronaut's existence, a realm where the nearest human is not just out of reach, but out of sight. The astronaut's visor was a window into their terrifying predicament. It reflected the expanse of space, capturing the stars that stretched endlessly into the distance. The visor encapsulated the astronaut's vulnerability, a thin layer of protection against the merciless vacuum beyond. It was a cruel juxtaposition, the vast, boundless cosmos mirrored in the helmet of a lone human. The background was a canvas of darkness, punctuated only by the distant stars. Space in this photograph was not the romanticized expanse of exploration we see on movies and TV, but a chilling, desolate void. It was a place where sound ceased to exist, where the cold seeped through every inch of the astronaut's suit, and where the laws of nature showed no mercy. This overwhelming sensation was one of isolation. The image forced viewers to confront the solitude of space in its rawest form. The astronaut, a mere speck in the abyss, was a poignant reminder of our fragility in the grand scheme of the universe. In the end, this terrifying photograph served as a stark testament to the courage and determination of those who venture beyond the bounds of Earth. It encapsulated the stark, unyielding nature of space, where the line between survival and oblivion was razor thin. It was a haunting glimpse into the cold expanse of the cosmos, where humans are but fleeting visitors in a realm that remains indifferent to our existence. I just wonder how they got him back. Number 4. Face on Mars. The enigmatic face on Mars is an iconic image that has captivated imaginations, fueled conspiracy theories, and sparked debates about extraterrestrial life for decades. This unsettling photograph was captured by NASA's Viking 1 orbiter on July 25, 1976, and it depicts a peculiar mesa on the surface of the red planet, bearing an uncanny resemblance to a human face. The first glance at this photograph immediately triggers a sense of dread and intrigue. There, on the barren Martian landscape, lies what appears to be a colossal visage gazing into the depths of space. Its symmetrical features, shadowed eyes, and distinct mouth give it an eerie humanoid quality that is hard to dismiss as mere coincidence. The sense of unease deepens when one considers the context. Mars, often referred to as the Red Planet, is a desolate world with an atmosphere too thin to support human life. A place where desolation and isolation reign supreme. In this stark Martian desert, the presence of a face, a symbol of humanity, is unsettling, as it is a relic of forgotten civilization, a chilling testament to the mysteries that lie beyond our earthly realm. The ambiguity surrounding the origins of this formation adds to its terror. While scientific consensus attributes the face on Mars to the play of light and shadows on a naturally occurring mesa, its undeniable resemblance to a human face fuels speculation that it might be something more. Some have suggested it's an ancient monument, a remnant of an advanced Martian civilization that once thrived but ultimately vanished into cosmic obscurity. The fear also stems from the implications of such a discovery. If the face on Mars were indeed a deliberate creation, it would raise profound questions about the existence of intelligent life beyond Earth. It would shatter the perception that humanity is alone in the universe, opening a Pandora's box of existential questions and fears about our place in the cosmos. In the end, the face on Mars serves as a haunting reminder of the boundless mysteries that space exploration continues to uncover. Whether it's a mere trick of light and geology, or an eerie testament to ancient extraterrestrial civilizations, this iconic image challenges our understanding of the universe and our place within it. It stands as a symbol of the unknown, a symbol of cosmic terror that lingers in the depths of our collective imagination. Number 3. Eye in the Hourglass Nebula. The last thing anyone wants to see when looking into a telescope is space looking back at you. But in 1996, a haunting image was captured. The Hourglass Nebula, a celestial marvel situated some 8,000 light years away from Earth in the constellation Musca, has long been a subject of fascination among astronomers and stargazers alike. It's renowned for its mesmerizing figure-8 shape, but in a haunting image captured by the Hubble Space Telescope, an otherworldly anomaly emerges. A vivid, emerald green eye seemingly gazing out from the very heart of the nebula. This unearthly spectacle presents an unsettling paradox. The serenity of the nebula's symmetrical form contrasting with the eerie intensity of the central eye. The hourglass shape itself, formed by the powerful winds of a dying star at its core, stretches outwards in perfect symmetry, an ethereal ballet of interstellar gases and dust. Yet, within this cosmic dance of creation and destruction, the eye stands as a stark enigma, a watchful alien presence amidst the celestial choreography. The eye's unmistakable green hue, reminiscent of Earth's verdant forests, adds to the disquieting intrigue. It appears almost sentient, as if the nebula itself were a cosmic being, surveying the cosmos with a gaze that transcends time and space. Its radiant emerald glow casts an eerie luminescence across the surrounding nebular regions, imbuing them with an otherworldly ambience. The sense of haunting is amplified by the knowledge that the Hourglass Nebula is a nursery for new stars. While its outer appearance suggests tranquility, this is, in fact, a cosmic cauldron where new celestial bodies are born, and older stars meet their fiery ends. Juxtaposition of creation and annihilation, embodied by the figure-8 shape and the eye at its core, underscores the profound mysteries of the universe. This haunting image evokes contemplation about the cosmic forces at play in the universe, reminding us of the fragility of life and the relentless cycle of birth and death in the cosmos. It challenges our perceptions of the familiar and the alien, inviting us to question the boundaries of what we consider possible. In the end, the Hourglass Nebula's haunting image, with its central green eye, is a testament to the vast, enigmatic beauty of the universe. It's a glimpse into the profound and the eerie, a window into the cosmos that both enchants and unsettles, leaving us with a sense of wonder and cosmic dread as we ponder the mysteries that lie beyond the stars. Number 2. Bones on Mars. The discovery of bones on Mars is a revelation that sends shivers down the spine, challenging our fundamental understanding of the universe and igniting existential questions about the possibility of extraterrestrial life and its implications. In a haunting image, captured by a rover exploring the Martian surface, an eerie collection of bone-like structures is sprawled across the rusty red landscape. The image is a stark reminder of the desolation of Mars. Its barren, windswept terrain is devoid of any signs of life as we know it. Yet, here, unmistakably, are what appear to be skeletal remains, relics of a life form that once inhabited the red planet. The bones are bleached white, standing in stark contrast to the Martian soil, as if they were placed there deliberately to be discovered. The mere presence of bones on Mars challenges the boundaries of our understanding. How did these remains come to be? Are they the remnants of an ancient Martian species, now long extinct? Or is there a more sinister explanation? The unanswered questions weigh heavily on the mind, casting a pall of dread over the discovery. The image is particularly terrifying because it raises the specter of an unknown cosmic predator. The bones seem to suggest a creature with a skeletal structure, not dissimilar from earthly animals, and the thought of an alien predator lurking on Mars sends a shiver down the spine. What else lies hidden beneath the Martian surface, waiting to be unearthed by intrepid explorers? Furthermore, the discovery of Martian bones ignites fear about contamination. If these bones are indeed remnants of ancient life, what potential threats do they pose to future human exploration on Mars? Could they carry diseases or microorganisms that might jeopardize our efforts to colonize the red planet? Ultimately, the image of bones found on Mars is a chilling reminder of the unknown and the unknowable. It forces us to confront the limits of our knowledge and the eerie possibilities that exist beyond our terrestrial realm. It's a haunting glimpse into a cosmic enigma, a puzzle with pieces that are simultaneously fascinating and terrifying, and it leaves us with a sense of awe and cosmic dread as we grapple with the mysteries that Mars continues to unveil. I just wonder what those bones belong to. I hope not a dog. Dogs should never die. And at number 1, Plutonian Slugs. Yeah, you heard that right. There might be slugs on the black sheep of the solar system. The discovery of horrifying space slugs on Pluto is a nightmarish revelation that defies all expectations of the icy dwarf planet. In an image captured by a deep space probe sent to explore the outer reaches of our solar system, the cosmic horror unfolds before our eyes. A colony of grotesque, gelatinous creatures resembling monstrous slugs, lurking on the distant world of Pluto. The image is nothing short of terrifying. Against the frigid backdrop of Pluto's desolate landscape, these extraterrestrial slugs writhe and slither. Their amorphous, translucent bodies seem to defy the laws of biology as we understand them. Each slug is riddled with grotesque, undulating appendages that move with a sickening rhythm, giving them an otherworldly, repulsive appearance. The very notion of life on Pluto is a chilling paradox. The planet's extreme cold, lack of atmosphere, and its location on the outer fringes of the solar system make it one of the most inhospitable places in our celestial neighborhood. That these nightmarish creatures not only exist, but thrive in such a hostile environment is the stuff of cosmic horror. The behavior of these space slugs adds to the terror. They seem to feed on some unknown source, perhaps subsisting on elements unique to Pluto's surface. Their movements are slow and deliberate, and their inscrutable motives leave us with an impending sense of dread. Are they the sole inhabitants of this frozen wasteland, or are they part of a larger, more sinister ecosystem that is yet to reveal itself? Furthermore, the presence of these creatures raises troubling questions about the potential consequences of interstellar contamination. Could these space slugs harbor deadly pathogens or alien microorganisms that might pose a threat to future missions to Pluto or other celestial bodies? The fear of unknowingly unleashing a cosmic menace upon our world adds an extra layer of dread to the discovery. I, for one, think we should never even try going to Pluto, if there really are slugs there. They're gross enough here on Earth, could you imagine how slimy alien ones are? I'll give you a hint. Very slimy. Anyway, you guys, thanks so much for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe, and comment down below what other crazy images of space that I neglected to put on this top 5 list. Stay scary, ladies and gentlemen, and I'll see you in the next one.